Sympathy. Along with his entourage, the lady that is the general's daughter, not just the general's daughter, but a notable general who developed this state even when it was Midwestern state. We also have, I'm referring to Dr. Ame Ogbemudia in our midst. We have the immediate past commissioner of the state, whom I also have the privilege to receive today, having formally now resigned from his political party, PDP, to join Labour Party. People in the good state of Nigeria. The one time, you are welcome to our public this occasion, a speech-making one, who is desirous now to take the bull by the horn and accomplish in the platform of Labour Party those things we have had in mind to do for this country and the state. We will, as a matter of fact, because we are behind time, present first to some of his persons with him here the identity card, I will say it, identity card, membership card of Labour Party. Of this party, I consider it imperative and given to me as the chairman of this party to formally present the membership card. Labour Party! Forward ever! This card will set a door free. This card will take us to Dennis Osadebe in 2024 in Jesus' name. The door is free by this card. We are all here. We pridefully joined the Labour Party, the party for the people, ordinary people and good people of Nigeria today here in Edo. You will recall that 2 weeks ago I was received also in Abuja by the national chairman, Julius Akuri. Yesterday I was in a village where I formally actually joined the Labour Party also in Rotuna. It was like a carnival of a sort. It was a very wonderful day of my life, a wonderful moment. The heavens were open, rain fell, and God showered us with blessings. And I will never forget the blessings of yesterday in our favor of what the future holds. Having said that, today was also a wonderful day. I've been received by the State Exco of the Labour Party under the leadership and chairmanship of Kelly Ogbalo. Kelly Ogbalo, a wonderful gentleman, also received mine. Seth, Mrs. Ame Ogbemudia, and Commissioner Emwata. We are excited. Well, what is my message? My message is that for 20 years, Edo people, I have sought to serve you. I started my sojourn under grace group, from grace group to ACD, ACD to AC to ACM, ACM to APC, APC to Labour. But with all my good heart for the people, very few people refuse to allow the will of the people stand. I have done my best for Edo people, and I'm thankful that I'm an Edo man. God made me an Edo person. I'm a Nigerian. I'm very proud of that I'm an Edo person. As Edo people, any Edo man is one of the finest persons created by God under heavens. And now I have decided my eyes are now open. I have decided to take my case in 2024 to God Almighty and to Edo people. I don't want to put my case in the hands of godfathers anymore. I'm tired of the oppression of the godfathers. I'm tired of the pain of the godfathers. I'm tired of the godfather's deception. I'm tired of their trick. I want to now take my fate and my destiny, put it into God's hands. And the good people of Edo State. Edo State is one of the finest states, wonderful people under the face of the earth. With God and Edo people, my 2024 is sure. So I am not bothered about what the godfathers are planning. I'm bothered about where they have failed us in the past. I'm bothered about the resolution of the people. The people will be on my side. The people, they are on my side. Hence the people are on my side. God is on my side. I have decided to go to the People's Party, which is Labour Party. The Labour Party and the obedient family, obedient worldwide, obedient nationwide, obedient in Edo. I have decided to go to the obedient, go to the Labour Party people, and let the people decide. Let the people lead. Let the people show the way. Let the people voice. Let it count. No longer will it be that only one man, one man out of 5 million people to decide our fate. It's not going to happen in 2024, I can tell you that. I pray that Labour Party will get it right. If they do get it right and give me tickets, Obaseki and Oshiomole should know that their game is up. When I say it's up, it's up. It's over. Because a man can't labor for 20 years and the people are with him and he want to decide the future even when you are now a grandfather. God bless you.